Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to insert music symbols to Microsoft Word document. All right, let's begin. Did you know there are music symbols that you add to your Microsoft Word document without adding graphic images? Let's take a look. First, place your insertion point in the location in your document where you want to insert a music symbol. On the Insert tab on the ribbon, click the Symbol button and then choose More Symbols from the drop-down menu. In the symbol window, open the Font drop-down menu and choose the MSUI Gothic font. Open the Subset drop-down menu and select the Miscellaneous Symbols option there. Scroll down a bit, 4 or 5 lines, and you'll see 7 music symbols. Click the music symbol of your choice, and then click the Insert button, or just double-click the symbol to insert the symbol at your insertion point. You can insert as many symbols as you want while the symbol window is still open. When you're finished inserting symbols, click the Cancel button. You can even go a step further and copy and paste your symbols several times to create a nifty musical border for your document. And that's it. So that's basically how you can insert music symbols to Microsoft Word document. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.